name is Abdi Abdillah Muhammad. You can call me Abdi. I'm a college student from ITBA Dian Cipta Cendekia, majoring a 4th semester. In this video, I would like to present my final text about background of the final project, understanding English accent through video games. Is the chapter 1 for in the introduction. The purpose of this presentation is how important the accent for a player. Background of the study. In today's globalized world, English proficiency is increasingly important, and yet learners often struggle to understand the diverse range of accent encountered in real-life interactions. Video games, as immersive and interactive platforms, present a unique opportunity to address this challenge by providing learners with exposure to authentic language use in various contexts. This final project aims to delve into the effectiveness of utilizing video games as a tool for enhancing learners' understanding of English accent through qualitative research methods, providing nuanced insight into learners' experiences and strategies. The phenomenon of understanding English accent through video game is characterized by diverse representation, immersive environments, comprehension challenge, cultural context, educational potential, impact on perceptions, technological advancement, and social and cultural implications. These facts highlight the multifaceted nature of action portrayal in gaming and its significance in shaping language learning, cultural awareness. The identification of the study is the main problem is the challenge of accurately and effectively portraying English accent in video games to facilitate the enhancement of player listening skills. This encompasses several key issues. Accurate representations, ensuring that English accent portrayed in video games are authentic and representative of real-life speech pattern poses a significant challenge. Inaccurate or stereotypical depictions may hinder players' ability to develop accurate listening skills. Comprehension difficulty. Some players may encounter difficulty comprehending accents that are unfamiliar or heavily accented, impacting their ability to engage with dialogues and audio cues within the game. This can diminish the effectiveness of accent exposure as a means of enhancing listening skills. For cultural sensitivity, the portrayal of English accent in video games must be culturally sensitive to avoid perpetuating stereotypes of biases. Failure to consider cultural nonsense in accent representations may lead to misinterpretations and negative perceptions among players. For user experience, the overall user experience of encountering English accent in video games can influence the effectiveness of accent exposure for enhancing listening skill. The factors such as clarity of audio, the frequency of accent encounters, and the integration of accent into gameplay mechanics can impact player engagement and learning outcomes. The scope of the study is for theoretical accent comprehension. The study will investigate how exposure to device English accent in video games influence player comprehension skills, including their ability to recognize, understand, and interpret accent accurately. For practical language learning outcomes, the study will assess the impact of accent video games exposure on language learning outcomes, including improvements in vocabulary acquisition, grammar usage, and overall language proficiency. For educational implications. The study will explore the educational implications of using video game to teach accent comprehension and language skills, including potential integration into language learning curricula and strategies for optimizing learning outcomes. For objective of the study is investigate how exposure to English accent in video games can improve player listening skills, like such as grammar and speech check. And for learning benefits is improve auditory discrimination. Exposure to diverse English accent in video games can enhance player ability to distinguish between different sound and speech pattern. There be improving auditory discrimination skills, enhancing comprehensions. Engaging with varied accent in video games can help player develop better comprehension skill as they learn to interpret and understanding different linguistic nouns and variations. For expand vocabulary, exposed to a wide range of accents expose player to diverse vocabulary and language usage, leading to an expansion of their lexical knowledge and vocabulary acquisition. Cultural awareness is interacting with character speaking different English accent in video game foster cultural awareness and appreciation as a player gain insight into the cultural context associated with various linguistic identities. For transferable skills is the listening skills acquired to exposure to English accent in video games can be transferred to real life situation such as communication with individual from different linguistic background of navigating diverse audiovisual environments. That's all my presentation about background of the final project understanding English accent through video games. This is chapter 1 introduction. I hope that my presentation will help with what I said at the beginning. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.